Hey everyone, this is our demo for the Algorand Hackathon. This demo is for compliance software for DeFi digital assets on Algorand. The way it works is there are 8 questions to determine whether or not an asset would be considered a security, and then based on the responses to those questions, the user is able to get a statistical response. And to do that, they have to use two choice to compensate the software for producing the relative score, which will be between 0 and 1. So to start, we're going to connect our Algorand wallet. And then we're going to go through the questions one by one. So does the asset represent an equity interest in the company? If yes, then it's probably pretty bad and most likely going to be considered a security. So if it doesn't, then we might say that's outstanding. So if it's just a digital asset for a purpose like utility, that's a good thing. How decentralized is the asset? So who are the largest holders? Where are the largest holders for the assets? And how well distributed across the network is it? So let's just say here it's good. Do users actively participate? So if users are actively participating through their own efforts in the project, it's less likely to be a security. Is the asset essentially intentionally sold as an investment? So if people sell the asset as an investment, it's more likely to be considered a security. If they don't, then it's less likely to be considered a security. So if it's a utility token, like Choice, for example, which is for voting, then it has its intended purpose aside from any financial investment. Does the asset have utility? If yes, then it's good. If no, then it might be marginal. If the asset is designed for a specific purpose, if there's a need for the asset, that's a good thing. It makes it less likely to be a security. Does the asset have an intended purpose? If it does, then it's less likely to be a security if the purpose is aside from any sort of financial investment. Does the asset give users control in decision making for a network? If yes, then it's less likely to be security. Does the asset offer financial derivatives? If yes, it's more likely to be a security. If no, then it is less likely to be a security. So then once we've gone through and answered all of our questions, then we just click calculate. And then we verify the transaction by clicking approving it in our Para wallet. And then we get our return. And so here we see that this is about 90% likely to not be a security. And then we can go on Algo Explorer and we can see that text recorded on the Algorand blockchain. Thanks for watching and have a great day.